palm vein, 3D face, fingerprint, password, smart card, acts as a CCTV, and lock here. Set up temporary, one-time password. Suitable for homestay owners, cleaners. Remote unlock. Powered by 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, which lasts for 6 months. Low on bat, no worries. You may unlock using key. Or jumpstart with power bank. Simple button-operated locking and unlocking. Locking and unlocking using handle. Safety lock feature. Door remains locked even after unlocking. Made with CNC material, strong and sturdy. Available in 2 colors. Reserve yours now